In this video we're going to learn how to make a simple map. By simple I mean we're going to be making this map, exactly this map. Okay, so this is not a very good map, but we'll just learn the process of making maps in ArcGIS. Okay, so let's go there, and then I have our choroplath map on here. If you haven't seen my video on how to make choroplath maps in ArcGIS, you can go check that out. The link will be in the description. Okay, then after we open our choroplath map, we will just go to layout. Here we go. Now our map has been put in the layout, so we'll just adjust the size of the map. That is a bit problematic. Okay. Okay, there you go. Let's keep it there. Now I am going to insert some things here, so we'll just go to insert and first give it a title. Let's go bivags of PD. I have previously given this title. You can give any title you want. Then let's go to insert, and we're going to give it a north arrow. Let's take this one here, and we're going to put it right here, somewhere down there. Okay, now we're going to insert a scale bar. There we go, scale bar. Let's choose this one. So make sure that scale to fit page, this option is clicked on. Okay, let's turn it on. Let's place our scale bar here. There you go. Now all that's missing is a legend, this legend here. Let's go there, click on insert, click on legend, and then next we want that one. Let's make it a bit smaller, and 10. Click on next, then border. Yes, I would like a border, say about 2 points. Background, let's give it a background, yellow background. Drop shadow, I will not use any drop shadow, but if you want you can use drop shadows. There are various options here. Let's go on next. This is the preview and the size of each layer in the legend. So they are all 5.36 points. Okay, click on OK, and your legend is here. Put the legend somewhere here, around here. Let's make the map a bit more that side. There we go. And that's how you can make a map in ArcGIS. So how to save this thing? Okay, to save it, we'll just go to file, then we'll go to export map, go there, click on that, then this window will pop up. Now save as type, you can save as these types. You can save it as a GIF, a TIFF file, a PNG file, a JPEG file, a PDF, anything you want from these various options. So I'm going to turn it into a JPG file, then hit on save. Okay, sorry, I need to change the name. Let's call it ZZZ, just like the AutoCAD tutorials. Okay, so our map has been saved. Let's go. Here's our map ZZZ. This is the map we just made. Okay, so this is how you can make simple maps in ArcGIS. You could insert other things as well. The things I did not show, you can also give some longitude and latitude grid lines here. I'll show you how to give the lines in the next video. So this was it for this video. Thank you very much for watching.